Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a professional guide on how to replace the battery of your Samsung Galaxy Note S9. I will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring your device is good as new by the end of this video. First things first, let's power off the smartphone to ensure our safety and protect the device. Here is what I will be using today: a glass screen protector, a brand new battery, and a new back adhesive. These are the essential tools for the job: an iFixit Essential Toolkit, a suction cup, a toothpick or a SIM ejector tool. We are starting by removing the SIM tray and the stylus pen. Next, I will power on the heating pad and set it to 100 degrees Celsius. Now, using the suction cup and some plastic pry tools, carefully lift the back glass at the end. With the back glass off, use tweezers to carefully disconnect and remove the fingerprint sensor. 18 screws are holding the protective plates in place. Let's unscrew them and peel off the wireless coil to have access to the battery. Next, disconnect the battery connector. This step ensures that no power is running through the phone while we are replacing the battery. Reheat the heating pad to 100 degrees Celsius. Place the face of the phone down for about 5 minutes to loosen the adhesive holding the battery. Use some isopropyl alcohol, a metal spatula, a plastic pipette. Apply the isopropyl alcohol and lift to remove the defective battery from the phone. Take the new battery and attach 3 lines of double adhesive tape to its back. Place the new battery into the phone and then connect its flex cable. Now we're replacing the protective plastic plates and glue the wireless coil back into place. Don't forget to tighten the 18 screws. Before we seal everything up, let's test the phone. Connect it to the charger and power it on to make sure everything is working perfectly. Since everything is functioning properly, it's time to power off the device and then clean off the old adhesive to apply the new one. Some isopropyl alcohol and a few cotton buds will help you to do this process more quickly. After cleaning and peeling the last bits of the old adhesive from the back glass, now you can apply the new one. After this, we have to move towards the chassis frame, and also we need to remove the old adhesive as well from it. Even if this process takes a bit, trust me, at the end your phone can still be water resistant. Connect the fingerprint sensor and then we can secure the back glass properly. Lastly, this phone needs an external spot cleaning so it can look as good as new. Peel off the old protective film and use some isopropyl alcohol soaked in a microfiber towel to clean absolutely any dirt. Don't forget to reinsert the SIM tray and stylus pen. And apply the new glass screen protector for the extra layer of protection. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy Note S9 is now equipped with a brand new battery and it looks as good as new. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.